Hello everyone, welcome to ComfyEating. Today we are going to make a delicious and nutritious breakfast recipe that's overnight oats banana pancake. Now for this recipe, if you have oats and banana, you're good to go. For this you will have to soak the oats overnight. I've used here 2 cups of oats and I've used 3/4 cup of milk. For a lighter option, you can also use water instead of milk. Mix well with a spoon and we will refrigerate this overnight. This soaking process will soften the oats and make them perfect for pancakes. Next day, take your oats out of the fridge and you can see that the milk is completely absorbed and creating a very thick base for the pancake. Now transfer the oats to a large mixing bowl. Add 2 ripe bananas to the oats. We are adding no sugar to our pancakes. The banana will provide all the sweetness. Now mix everything well. Mash the bananas and mix everything together until you have a thick and smooth batter. Now our batter is ready. It's perfect. Heat a pan over medium heat and lightly grease it with oil. Once the pan is hot, scoop some of the batter and pour it onto the pan. Let them cook for 2 to 3 minutes on one side. Flip the pancakes and cook for. Once cooked, transfer it to a plate. Repeat the process with the remaining batter until all your pancakes are ready. You can enjoy these pancakes plain or top them with honey or maple syrup for an extra touch of sweetness. If you like this recipe, please like and share it with your friends. And thank you for watching.